What's up, you guys? Today I'm giving you the best shortbread recipe ever. Shortbread cookies are very delicate. They crumble in your mouth and leave a delicious buttery taste as they dissolve. Just like newborns. So here's what you need. Many shortbread recipes only use butter and flour, but we're going to elevate this by adding rice flour and starch. While rice flour gives it that extra crisp, starch is going to tenderize it. You can also use cake flour instead of AP, but no one will notice. Then again, no one notices anything you do they? No matter what you do, they look right through you. Sometimes you even think, what would change if I wasn't here anymore? Would my absence have any impact on the ones I love? The answer is no. No, it wouldn't. No. 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 There are different ways of making the dough, but I like to use a food processor. First, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients, then we're going to add the cold butter to form a course meal. We're going to process until it looks like the litter after your cat eats Mexican. You don't need to use parchment paper, oil the pan, or rub it with Vaseline, because the shortbread will slide right out thanks to its butter content. Now is stocking time. We're going to duck the dough until it has new holes. You can use a fork for this, but to make it look more pristine, use a toothpick and twist it out instead of pulling it. We're going to bake this for 45 to 50 minutes depending on the depth of your pan. You want low heat with shortbread so they're thoroughly baked without changing color. I chose to go with 300 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius because that's what we used in my grandma's cremation, so she can rock that slammin' beach tan for her open casket. When you take them out of the oven, they're going to be easy to cut. So before they cool, cut them into slices with a sharp knife. My sister actually taught me this technique. She's a cutter. That's it, you guys. These shortbread cookies are as close as you're going to get to tasting heaven, because God knows your search history. You sicko. Before you go, please make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the worship button, click on the Alponzi Schemer retirement community and use the funds to build you a shrine button, and make sure you check out our other videos and follow us on Instagram and other social media.